Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Davi if you're new here. So today I am going on a little shopping day out because I'm going on a vacation for my birthday. That's what I'm doing today. So I need travel essentials, clothes, and birthday decorations. Okay guys, so I'm here at Dollar Tree, so let's go in. Basically made a list here because I didn't want to take too long. I'm just gonna go ahead and see if they have them here. Okay, so I found the plastic table covers that I need. I want it to be pink, so I don't know if I want it in this color or this color. I'm gonna have to check to see my mood board. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so they have these birthday crowns and sashes. So I found the banners because it has to be pink, so I'm leaning towards this one. And then also too, I'm gonna get, because I'm turning 28, so I'm gonna get this one. And okay, so this is what I got, you guys. So I got the happy birthday candles, and then I got the happy birthday banner. So I'm gonna get these plastic wine glasses. I'm trying to make sure that they're not broken or anything. So I'm gonna get some balloons as well. So I'm trying to find makeup wipes now because I do need some. I don't have. So I don't see any makeup wipes here, so I'm just gonna leave it. Did go ahead and get this tinted oil for a case for my toothbrush, like these cases right here. So this is what I need right here. Okay, you guys, I found Uno. I was looking for it everywhere, but I found it. I'm gonna get this tower game. So we're basically done. I'm gonna go ahead and check everything. I'm gonna do a haul to show you guys everything I got. You guys already saw it, but we're gonna do a haul anyways. I'm here right now. I'm at TJ Maxx, literally a Five Below next door, and a Ross. So I'm about to hit all those stores to kind of find what I need. So come with me. So the Ross is right here, and then we have the TJ Maxx, and then the Five Below. I'm looking for some jeans and some PJs. So let's see. You guys, they have Disney things here. This is so cute. Let's get this one. I'm trying to find some Hello Kitty PJs and then a bra. If I don't find the Hello Kitty PJs, I'm just gonna order it online, honestly. Oh, this is cute. This is strawberry shortcake, and then I think I saw Cookie Monster too. These are cute, but I have a theme, so I have to stick by it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna check out. This is so cute, you guys. I do need one more shirt, so I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay guys, so I'm at the pajamas, so let's just go and see. They have Hello Kitty. So I found Hello Kitty, but they don't have it in like these colors, like pink. So I'm just gonna get it in this one. So I'm just gonna look for two, one for me and one for my mom. Would this and this one go? Or I'm about to go check out. I'm leaving these two. I got in the brown one, I got in another size, and then the bottoms just don't match with the top. Okay, so I needed a shirt that had red in it, and it looks cute. This is Winnie the Pooh. It's cute. I'm at Ross. I'm looking for shorts and then some PJ shorts as well. Let's just go ahead and see if we can find it because we couldn't find it in the other stores. This is definitely going to match my mom's outfit. So I found these black shorts. I'm looking at this one right here and this one, but the thing is that I don't like how flimsy it looks, so I think I'm just gonna go with this one right here. They have Hello Kitty right here. Oh my gosh, and they have the bottoms. Oh. So I'm basically done. I'm about to go ahead and check out. This is gonna be our last stop, to be honest. I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I got back in the car. Okay guys, so I'm in the car. Let's do a little haul of everything that I bought from TJ Maxx, Ross, Five Below, Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree here. So as you know, I am going on a birthday vacation and I want to like decorate the hotel, so I got a few things. So I got these wine glasses, games for we can play in the hotel. So I got Uno, and then I also got this tumbling tower game. so we can play. I'm planning to do like a PJ party the day before my birthday. Okay, so I got this tablecloth cover, happy birthday banner. Then I got number candles, so I'm turning 28. Makeup wipes, balloons. One thing I forgot was the thing to blow up the balloons instead of me having to blow up the balloons. I got this Marie Claire tinted oil. I got this toothbrush covers. So that's everything I got at Dollar Tree. Okay, so for Five Below, I got this shirt for my mom. It's so cute. It's like Winnie the Pooh shirt. And then I got 2 Hello Kitty shirts. I got another shirt. This one says Melanin Angel. So that's everything I got at Five and Below. Next is TJ Maxx. So I got one thing from TJ Maxx, these shorts. So I really needed a brown short. I found it, and it also came with another short, so I was like, that's a steal. So that's TJ Maxx. Then for Ross, which is the last place we went, I got these shorts, just basic shorts. It's gonna be hot, so I need shorts. And then I also got my mom some green shorts as well, and then I also got a bra. Yeah, that's everything I got. So I'm just so excited. I think there are probably a few things I don't have right now, but I think I got the bulk of everything I needed. This is like, I think, a part of me prepping, you know, everything for my trip and me getting everything and shopping for everything. Things that I don't really have, I probably might get it online. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little shopping vlog. So thank you guys for coming along. Thank you guys for watching the video this far. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.